So I have been thinking of doing something nice out of my nails, and I decided to order this kit. Kit arrived from Amazon today. It's beautiful. I'm going to add the description link, the link for the kit down there. In this kit, the first thing here is the acrylic liquid. Okay. Then I have a new lamp, UV lamp. I actually have one before this, but the leg is broken, so that was actually one of the reasons why I decided to get a new kit. So I have a new UV lamp, then the nail drill. I have a nail drill here that comes with all the bits that I like. Nail drill has 6 bits, especially like this one for the cuticle. Then some. So I'm satisfied with the nail drill. We have a nail clip here. 100 set of plastic nails, nail tips, what's in this? Oh, there is a nail gel polish here, a nail top coat here. Let's see. So here we have 5 packs. 5. So we have nail gel polish. We have 3 nail gel polish. We have 3 of them. Let me see what color they have. Oh, I can't open it. Okay, I can't open it now. So we have 3 nail polish, and then we have a top coat, and then we have a base coat. Okay, what else do we have here? We have some glitters. We have probably have to open a glitter. We have 12 glitters in here. Then we have 3 nail powders. We have the white, the clear powder, and the pink powder, the acrylic powders. It was actually one of the reasons I chose this nail kit, because I wanted to start trying out using nail powders with the acrylic nail liquid. They go together. So okay, now these are under bundle. These are like tools. The file, another file, a nail brush, cuticle pusher, a good number. I think there should be about 20 here. We have a very cute nail stamp. Let me show you. See, this is a flower stamp. Okay, this is a flower nail stamp. So, or you can call it a nail mold. You can use it to mold flowers for your nail design. So let's just call it a nail mold because it's not really a stamp, it's a mold. Okay, the nail dividers or the finger dividers, 2 pairs. See, sorry, a pair, 2 pieces. So we have a pair of finger dividers, nail glue, well packed. I like the packaging. So we have nail glue. What else do we have here? Nail brush, another kutikopusha, okay, just nail stickers. I don't really know what this is for, but we've got to use it gradually. And a small tiny user's manual. Oh, then we have, I've forgotten what this is called. It's like a nail mold, like a shaper, a nail shaper. Okay, use it to apply your acrylic powder nails. Picker for your stones and rhinestones and or tweezers. And then there is a cute little nail finger for practice. We'll get to use that later. And a tiny cup here for the acrylic liquid, I guess. So you can pour it here and use. So you have a cup here. Oh, that's all. That's all that came in my nail kit. Am I satisfied? I'm totally satisfied. I'm perfectly satisfied. It's everything I wanted plus more. It's everything I needed, wanted, prayed for plus more. So that is the kit. I'll show you when I do my nails. You can see how they look at the moment. When I do my nails, then I'll show you the first results from. No, this is not part of the kit. Okay, this is my this is my table cactus flower. It's not part of the kit, please. I'll drop the link if you like it. Okay, so I'm putting everything back, the brush, nail brush here, and then finally the UV lamp. So that is all that came with the kit. Thank you for watching.